Hello YouTube, welcome to my video tutorial on how to change the directory folder name. What I mean is probably you're on my computer or this PC. I changed mine to Meshline instead of this PC. You need to change this name from the default. Mine was Acer or based on local disk. You need to change it to Program C, Programs or Linderson. And then I will also show you how to change this directory for instance C or D. So the first thing I want you to do is click this folder next to the Windows. I'm using Windows 8, or go to my computer and click it in Windows 7 by clicking the Windows icon at the corner, and then go up to my computer and click it. And if you're in Windows 8 also and this folder is out of sight, what you do is you go to my you can click the Windows button, or you click the icon on this taskbar, and then go to all application. There's an arrow below the desktop or on the first row, or is this row or column. At the bottom there's an arrow pointing down, so you click that too. Now I arrange mine by date installed, so because that's almost one of those of the earliest things installed. You go towards the end, you'll find this PC. So what you do when you find this PC, you can click it, it will still open this folder. Now to change this name, you just right click on the directory that you want to change. For instance, I can change this one to Linderson. So you just right click and go to properties and pick Linderson. It's here, and then you can change it to anything you want. Let's change it to John's, my second name. So you can apply it if you need to access any other things, including sharing, security, and all that. Like for instance, it will prompt you on administrative permissions. So if it cannot allow you, you just go to security. So let's apply it. If this one won't continue, or will tell you you're not allowed to change this because you're not the admin, you just go to security and check which one, check the permission. Sometimes the admin does not have permissions, so you can just edit and see your users, your authenticated users have very few permissions. They don't have full control. The system has a full control, and then the administrator has a full control. Users don't have control and they don't have permission to modify. So check if you have this permission. You can just click to and then apply or OK. So the name is already changed. The next thing that we need to do is to change the path. For instance, sometimes you have a problem with maybe the arrangement, because the computer will arrange this in alphabetical order, and probably your storage disk comes after your DVD drive and you want to interchange them. It's because the letters vary. So what we do in this case, we just go to this PC, which was my computer, or you do the same process. Click the Windows button, all applications or apps, and go to the end where you'll find this PC or you go to my computer in Windows 7, right click and go to manage. It will open a window. One thing you should be careful when you're working on storage drives and everything, be careful not to use management, not to use format or delete. Now what you do, you click disk management, and after you click disk management, it will list all the disks inserted on this computer. For instance, if you add in a flash drive, let me add a flash drive for the sake of this tutorial to one of the USB ports. I don't know which one. This one. Okay. If you add a USB flash drive, it's assigned removable disk F. So it's listed here, and it has an NTFS format. So if you want to change all these letters and directories, you just right click and change drive letter and path. So you select that by clicking or pressing enter, and then you can type in the letter that you like here, or click change to access an easy drop down list of alphabetical letters, and you can change it to F or any letter. Now F is already occupied because of the drive that I just inserted. So what you do if you want to change it to F and you have another drive that reads F, you first change that drive to another letter within this alphabetical order, and then come back and you'll have that letter in the list when you change it. So I don't want to change it now because I'm recording the video and it's storing it on local disk D. So what I will do, I will change the inserted drive F. So I will change it. So change driver letter, and I can change it to A, B, C, D, E, F. I'll change it to G. I like G. So change, and you drop down list and click change. It's G, and okay. Some programs relying on whatever will just accept that, and usually don't change drive C or D if you have some programs installed there, because they access their files and all their information through the drive path. So if you change, they might miss it. So you see that path has been changed to G. So probably the USB port has been assigned the letter G. So anything that I will insert it through that port would be named G. Now, one thing you can see, it has no name. So what I will do, I will just go to removable disk G, right click, and go to properties, and I will just name it Lindason Jones, and I just enter. So at least my DVD G has its own name now, in case you are trying to rename a flash drive also. So up to there, I've shown you how to change the names on different devices and drivers, and I've also showed you how to change the path or the assigned letter to the path. So up to there, later in another video I'll show you how to change the PC name. For example, this computer is called Lindason Jones, and I'll also show you how to change whatever that my computer or this PC or anything to your preferred name I use mentioned here. So have a nice day, and thanks for watching my tutorial. Don't forget to like and subscribe. For more, just put your problem in case you have any problem, just put it in the comments or send me an email through my email lindasonjones92@gmail.com. You just get it on the description, and I will address all the problems appropriately. Otherwise, thank you for watching, like and subscribe.